Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen Van Centre, and here we have some fantastic approved used stock. This is a Volkswagen Transporter Highline 110PS 2.0 TDI in the stylish pure grey finish. This van is currently available and there are flexible finance packages, so to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle. This video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment. Now, as you can see, the stunning chrome Volkswagen badge is sitting proudly there amongst the front grills, and the Transporter logo with the headlights pair really nice with the Clayton alloy wheels, which complements the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the van. And the wing mirrors do manually fold in to provide extra safety to the vehicle, ensuring you minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. Now, following on, we can see the pure grey finish really does complement well with the alloy wheels. And now, as we access the rear end of the van, you'll see our chrome Volkswagen badge and our Transporter logo. And just below there, we do have our rear view cam along with the parking sensors for that extra support whenever you need them. Now, as we access the boot, you'll notice the fantastic and spacious interior, and you also do have the lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you will also benefit from the lighting on the ceiling for added visibility. Also, these barn doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. This stunning van is available at Oldham Volkswagen Van Centre, so please don't hesitate to come down and have a look at the van yourself at our dealership. As we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat here, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your front passengers that relaxing driving experience. Around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. So thank you for watching the first part of the video tour of the approved used Transporter Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Van Centre. If you'd like to stick around, we will be having a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, offering you a comfortable driving experience. And we also do have the automatic headlights there, ensuring they're always on at their correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side. And just above the steering wheel, we do have cup holders and some storage space, which you will benefit from, especially during the cold mornings, as you can easily place your brew near you and tuck away your hats and gloves. Once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst we're on the move, and we also do have our assist systems with functions like the adaptive cruise control and our speed limiter, ensuring we stay safe at a consistent speed while travelling on the motorway. Now over to the infotainment screen, we have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading into our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our MirrorLink, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move, as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. Now, with this van, you also do have the ability to make hands-free calls via Bluetooth, offering you safety and full attention to your surroundings, as it's never a good idea to take calls on your phone while on the move, and this way you'll have a more safer approach to taking calls. This van also does come with your Park Pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors along with the rear view cam ensure safety, especially when manoeuvring out of those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be extremely tight. Towards the centre of the vehicle, we do have our climate controls, offering you and your front passengers that cosy driving experience. On the right hand side, we have our heated windscreen, and towards the left we have our parking sensors and our automatic start-stop function. And just below there, we do have even more storage space with our USB-C type ports for you and your front passengers to enjoy. And finally, to finish this video off, we have our 5-speed manual gear changing right in the centre there. So once again, thank you for watching. This has been the stunning Volkswagen Transporter Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Van Centre. If you'd like to come down, have a look at the van yourself, or get yourself a tailored finance quote, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.